All right, all right. Buenas tardes. The market has closed. I didn't run any trades today. I'm just not interested. Just had lost interest and went out. It's a beautiful day out, and I just figured I'd hang out, have fun in the sun. So that's what I did. Um, all right. So look, we had that push up. We got that little exhaustion gap in there. We're testing the highs, and the momentum looks bullish. We made this high with this high right here, and then we made this high with the momentum a little higher. So I mean, it looks strong, man. It looks strong. I didn't really look at the volume. Might be floating up on my volume, although the momentum is saying otherwise. So, man, I got to still say I'm neutral until we break that high, and that high is 95. Couldn't quite get there today. That's what it is. The high is 95.31, and I figure the real traders are just hanging back, waiting for the economic news tomorrow. Um, I believe that comes at 8:30. We also get Thursday's um, new jobless claims, so that's going to have an indication on the market. So that's it. We're just going to look at that. The Dow, well, that's really just a 5 minute chart I'm looking at. Has a little divergence, but means nothing, man. We're just going to have to see how the numbers come in and how the market reacts to it, and then we can play it accordingly. We have a nice gap here, so if we're going low and we don't open lower or open down here, if we open on an inside bar and we break to the low, we know we got a nice trade to fill that gap. If we break the high, then really our target is probably this trend line right here, about the 651, 652 range. So we'll look for that, man. We're still flirting with the 68%. So right here, the double top could be a tag, and then a trade down. I know I seem rather pessimistic, but it would be a better pattern if we made just a good, obvious low. This could be the low. This could be the trend reversal. Here's the low. This is a higher low, and now we're breaking to a higher high. I would argue right now that that's the trend reversal pattern, and I'm not getting my pullback, but it just doesn't feel healthy to me. So I'll just play what it gives me tomorrow. Although tomorrow's going to be a nicer day, and I might even go out and chill tomorrow and take in the sun and the fun, because I'm sure some rainy days are coming. Although I'm far enough south that I'm probably out of the worst of my weather already, and it's just going to start warming up, and spring will have sprung come the end of this month. So anyway, subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, and check me out on Twitter tomorrow. Let's see if I'll be trading. Maybe I'll get some trades in and then go out for a run or a kayak or something. So I appreciate everybody stopping in. Be calm, be cool, be at peace when you trade. And as always, good luck trading.